my goddamn house. Fuck you.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm washing all these goddamn clothes when they come get this motherfucker. Goddamn. I look at all these goddamn clothes. I didn't get all these washed in motherfucking time.
When are they coming?
Huh?
When are they coming?
They should be here shortly. Hey, goddamn it, I done broke the motherfucker. Goddamn you! Piece of fucking shit! Get it back on. Come on, man, I gotta get this goddamn clothes washed. My goddamn. Shut up!
It's supposed to make noise.
Shut up! That ain't get it good. Ah, fuck them motherfuckers. Shut up! God damn, I need these clothes washed. God damn you! It ain't right. What am I gonna do? Motherfucker! God damn, ain't got no money. What the fuck?
What is it doing? We're on a different cycle? Dude!
Fuck them! Fuck them in their goddamn clothes. I get this. What the fuck is this? I done told you about filming me!
Don't anything. What is that?
Oh, hit you with my bird! Go on now, man. Look, I'm mad. Leave me alone. They come to get the goddamn washer. I got all these clothes washed before they get here. Then what are you gonna do? Why the fuck you let me break the motherfucker for?
Can't stop you.
Goddamn, I done ripped that off a goddamn wall.
It's been like that. For like a week.
Who fucked it? You do that?
You did it!
I don't care shit up in this house. I don't care nothing. All I do is get the blame for shit. Fuck you.
Are you really gonna leave a bag of garbage in it?
What are you not gonna, yeah, leave your goddamn clothes. That's garbage enough. Can't believe they come to get my goddamn washing all because I can't afford to pay. 1 week I missed. Had the motherfucking 8 months. $30 goddamn dollars a week. That's a lot of goddamn money. I could have got one from Goodwill cheaper than that.